I love the networking opportunities that you get here. It's pretty cool.
Amazing sessions, fantastic speakers. I feel like I pick up 20 new things every time.
Some of the people that are looking to learn from people who have done great things, there's a lot of really cool stuff going on here.
They save about 35 minutes per work order, that's 1,000 hours. And we're execution management in Maximo. This is amazing work that we invite you to download.
By the time you hear this wrap up, you'll leave the room in another paradigm.
Mamo started to learn the use of tools. Maybe LLMs are heading in the same direction.
Complex systems require intentional innovation.
If you try to summarize, it actually says the essence of life is quality.
And memories that last forever. Let's kick off WeRAM today.
Look at the crowd here. It's like buzzing, lots of momentum.
It's a great experience being here, meeting the customers, seeing all the innovative stuff going on, learning from each other, sharing our experiences, sharing our customers, sharing experiences with each other.
You start developing relationships.
Meeting end user customers, hearing their stories.
I think it keeps getting better every year.
It's been fabulous, and I think the best thing about the conference is getting to have just conversations around and just listen to all the different just takes on what we're building. I'm super excited about where we're going.
All right, best Maximo Health predict maintenance.
Last year we were sitting out there, and we wanted to do that for years.
Best space management or hybrid work program in Rodrigo.
These are the issues we have. We said, we will solve it, and we did.
So much team camaraderie, some late hours and early mornings and different time zones. And
it's been a long and lonely journey, but this is the pinnacle.
Your story might help somebody else's story. You just never know who's listening.
It's all in your hand right now. It's just a few clicks and you are there.
And it's fun.
What a week, huh? Hasn't this been awesome?
Maximoworld 2025.
We will see you there.